This tutorial is to show you how to clear data from a text box. So you enter in data and you hit a button or click on something. Some kind of interaction is done. The data is wiped from a widget or a control, and it allows the user to enter in new data. So what I did was I created the button. I just copied and pasted this code from the previous button, and then I renamed my button to button reset. It goes on the main window again. Instead of saying calculate, it's going to say reset on a button. It's going to go on row 2, but it's going to go in the next column over, not column 1, but column 2. It's going to be binding to the same two events, the typical click of the mouse. If this was a 2, that would be the right click of the mouse, and also the enter key. We have a reference to a method called reset. All right, it's no parentheses. We're not calling the method. It's just a reference to it. So when it's clicked, it knows it has the address. It goes to this address of this method and calculate, and then executes the code that's in the address that's stored here. So in the reset method, here's how you clear it. I should put down some documentation here. Clear text box. So here's a text box name that I want to clear. It's called text with. It's the only text box, and it's a delete method. You start at 0, at the 0 column, if you will, of the text box, and you go to the end of it and clear everything. And that's how you do it. So if you got anything in here, you hit reset, and it clears it. Put some other stuff in there, hit reset, it clears it. Don't forget to have it, it clears it on the enter key too. So make sure it has the focus. I tab twice, has the focus, hit enter. Alrighty. Wouldn't it be nice if the cursor popped up there if you hit the enter key? Well, there's a thing called set focus. Let's see if I can do that. Text with dot focus set. There it is down there. Now let's try it. Save it. Put some rubbish in there. Tab, hit enter, and now it still has the focus. That's a number. Alrighty. That's how you keep the focus, or set the focus. Put the cursor into the text box as well. Alright, so I hope this helps on clearing the text box using the delete method. The text box name or the widget's name, whatever it may be, dot delete. Start at 0 and go to the end. To set the focus, put the cursor inside the text box name, dot focus set, and now we'll put the cursor inside the text box. Thank you for listening.